Welcome, trader. You are here on my channel because you want to learn how to make money trading gold in the Forex markets. I show you exactly how I do this every day live. You can see my trade from this morning. If you are serious about learning this stuff, then join my VIP program where I guide my students step by step. The fee is only $197 per month, which is minimal compared to the value you get, and you'll recoup that in no time. But you need to take action because I reward those who take action. The fee is increasing to $497 per month in the next couple of days. And I'm going to be limiting spots. I'm going to be closing enrollments very soon because I want to work with a very small focus group because my goal is to make every student who is in that program a successful trader. So don't miss out. Now, let's walk through this trade that you can see live on the left-hand side of my screen. The thing to note here is what do we have above? What do you see above there? I mentioned this in my current weekly analysis video. We have price-high liquidity resting above the market. So the draw on liquidity is going to be those very, very clean equal highs. And so if I wake up, as I did this morning, and I see the market dropping down to a key level, I know that's manipulation, okay? Because where is the market dropping to? It's dropping down into a discount PDRA. You can see that fair value gap on this daily chart, as I've mentioned many times, is a discount PDRA. And this down candle is our daily bullish order block. Okay, so that's the premise of the entry. Now let me jump down into a 15-minute chart. Okay, you can see, let me turn on the sessions. So here the market's opened, and that blue line there is the daily bullish order block. Okay, so I am looking for the market to come down and get everybody else short, take out anyone that's long from New York, the previous session. Okay, you can see even the day before, there were people who were long from the London session, right? The market's come down, okay, on Friday. Stopped out anyone that's long from Friday, New York, Friday, London, Thursday, New York, and just tapped into anyone, shallow stop run to anyone that's long from London on Thursday. Okay, I'm looking for that dump because I have an understanding, and I've shown you on the daily chart of what that draw on liquidity will be. Okay, so when I see this, so the market's dumping down into a higher time frame discount PDRA, which is that daily bullish order block and the daily fair value gap, I want to be looking to go long. Okay, so that is the premise of the entry. Now, I can drop down into you can see on the left-hand side, I'm trading on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so I'm looking at this on the 1 minute time frame, and I'm seeing a good reaction on the 1 minute time frame to take the entry long. Okay, and the timing is most important, right? I see that here at 8 p.m., which is the open of the Asia session, we are dumping down to take out these buy stops, okay, that were created early on at the open of the market. 6 p.m. is when the gold market opens, right? The buy stop, so the market's coming down. That's the draw on liquidity for the Asia session, but ultimately there's a higher time frame draw on liquidity, which is a daily chart, bullish order block, and a bullish fair value gap, which is really the premise of the trade. You can see that I've taken that trade very close to the low of the day, and I've held that, okay, and made a nice profit early on in the day, right? A few $1,000 early on in the first session of the day. For me, this is the first session of the day because I trade from Sydney, right? And for me, Asia is the start of the day. In New York, right, it's the overnight session. But for me here in Sydney, in Australia, it is the morning for me. And so therefore, Asia is my first session, right? So I wake up, I look at my charts, I identify where I want to get in for this, right, to that draw on liquidity on the high time frame. And I wait for the right time, okay, where we take liquidity and pop down into the daily bullish order block as well as the daily fair value gap from where I frame my long trade idea, okay? Now, it's the Asia session. Okay, I've got a good idea of where this is going throughout the day, but I don't need to wait for that before I lock in profits, okay? Because I like to lock in profits as, you know, within the session. So I have a lesson in my VIP community called the 100 pip box, okay? I'm not going to talk about that here on this video, but that is the premise of my entry as well as the higher time frame, right? And that's the premise of my exit. So you would have seen that I entered somewhere down at 2690, okay? And I exited at 2700, okay? That is a 100 pip box, okay? And that lesson that I teach in my VIP community that I have shown you is all about the 100 pip box, right? So from 2690 up to 2700 is 100 pips. And that's what I've locked in for my Asia session, and a beautiful $7,000 profit done here in front of you live, right? Indisputable. I've done it here live with you, showing you my screen, showing you my live P&L, showing you exactly the market moving up, okay? And I show it to you every single day. And so I ask you to answer this question for yourself. If you truly want to learn how to make money trading gold in the Forex market, and you can see every week I provide a forecast of the gold market, and 9 times out of 10, that forecast is accurate, meaning that the market has moved to exactly where I've said that market is going, right? And you can go and look at them. Those videos are there on YouTube. I can't edit them. You can look at the date and time, what I said and what's happened, okay? And then you can see me showing it to you every single day, doing it live. Then my question to you really is, if you do really want to learn how to do this, then why haven't you joined my VIP program where I take my students by the hand, step by step, and show them exactly how to do it, okay? As I said, the price right now is $197 per month, and that is a very nominal fee for the value you receive inside of the community, and you should be able to recoup that in very little time, right? It's peanuts, okay? My students from this morning, where I've given them some guidance, are already trading in alignment with what I have provided them from this morning, okay? They are doing it every single day, right? Pulling out 50, 80, 90, 100 pips plus every single day, if not every single session, okay? I've shown you their testimonials over and over again. I've shown you their trades many times on my videos, okay? I'm showing you my own trades live on my videos. And so I question why you have not joined the VIP program, okay? If you truly want to learn this, then you need to join, okay? And I've also mentioned to you many times in advance that the price of the VIP program for new members is increasing to $497 per month, okay? And that's going to be happening in the next couple of days, okay? It's going to happen this week, right? I said it was going to be done in January, and we're almost at the end of January, and so I need to do it in the next couple of days, okay? So you've still got an opportunity to get in before I increase that price. And I guarantee you that you will learn exactly how I do this, because I show it to my students live every single day, okay? I'll show it to you here on YouTube every single day. I'll journal all my trade on Twitter every single day. And I provide a weekly forecast every single week of where this market's going, right? And I'm blessed to be able to have this knowledge and be able to forecast that movement of that market with very high accuracy, and then be able to capitalize on that knowledge. And I want to teach it to you, right? I want to teach it to you, but you've got to join my VIP program. Now, I am limiting enrollments because I want to work with a very small focus group, right? My goal is to make every student inside of the VIP program a successful trader, okay? Now, let me show you one more thing, okay, that will really get you excited, okay? It's a tool that I'm making available to all my VIP students, okay? It's a tool that I've mentioned to you in the past. It's been in development, and now it's ready to be launched to VIP students, okay? This is another reason why you must join now before the price hike, because that way you get access to this revolutionary tool, okay? It is a AI tool, okay, that helps you with the biggest challenge that traders have, and that is directional bias and identifying high probability setups, okay? I'm not going to click on any of these. This is not a demo. This is already, and this is live. So I'm not going to click because it's going to show you the live setups of where each one of these markets is going. This is what VIP is about to get access to. And if you join, you'll also get access to this. And right now, as I said, the price for VIP membership is $197 per month. Okay, in the next couple of days, it's going to $497 per month. And you don't want to miss out, folks. This is a revolutionary tool that identifies ICT setups for all of these instruments. You've got Forex pairs, you've got commodities, indices, and crypto, right? You've got high probability hand-picked setups that I review, okay, and verify, so they are high probability, all at a touch of your fingertip, okay? So I again ask you the question, if you truly are serious about learning how to trade gold in the Forex market, then why haven't you joined my VIP program? I'm adding value to the program over and over again. Already, we've included signals for different markets, and as promised, I've now included this AI tool, which takes all the guesswork out of it and removes all the analysis work out of it. You just, with one click of a button, you get the full analysis and the setups, okay, and exactly where that market's headed, the forecast, okay? So join the VIP program while you still can at the current low price of $197 per month. The price will be increasing to $497 per month in the next couple of days, and anyone that is part of the VIP community gets access to this AI tool, okay? I hope that video is useful. I will now talk with you in a future video.